Hello everybody, Alyssa here. Welcome back to my channel, Sol Lace. On our previous videos, we were getting ready to start creating our first Sol Lace by anchoring the pattern and placing the pins. I hope you've taken some time to review those videos, and if you haven't, be sure to check those out first before continuing, and be sure to subscribe. This tutorial is going to be a multi-part video, and the end product is going to be this Sol Lace. So for today's video, you will need your prepared cushion with pins from a previous video. You also need your ballpoint needle, mercerized thread, and scissors. You can get all these at my Etsy store, Juneri Sol. We will be making the framework of most Sol Laces, the basic Sol Lace web or polka spider web. So the first thing you do is you place the ballpoint needle outside the pattern about 1.5 inches relative to number 1. Important again to only push it about halfway. This pin anchors the thread and also serves as a marker. Now the next step is we release a little bit of thread from our spool, and we grab about 2.5 inches of it. We loop this 3 times around my marker pin, and then we push it down, and now we have anchored our thread. You have to make sure to keep hold of your thread end with your thumb. And that's all for today, folks. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, Sol Lace, and we will continue with this video series shortly. Thank you very much for watching.